Hello, Professor. My name is Arbinita Longjam, and today I'll be presenting on user experience and experience design. Now, let's begin by understanding what we mean by user experience and experience design. User experience or UX focuses on the usability and efficiency of interacting with a product, service, or a system. But experience design goes further. It's about shaping how people feel when they engage with technology, considering the entire journey, including their psychological and environmental factors. Now, because of the influence of the experience design, companies today are moving away from being just product manufacturers. Instead, they are becoming experience providers. Now, let us look at two examples: the Philips wake up light and a coffee machine. The wake up light doesn't just function as an alarm clock, it simulates a sunrise and bird song, making wake up a calming and pleasant experience. It's designed to transform an everyday task into something enjoyable. Now think about coffee machines. Traditional coffee machines make coffee automatically, but they often feel mechanical and uninspiring. Imagine a machine where we can watch the brewing process, adjust settings, or enjoy the aroma. This makes coffee making more engaging and satisfying. Both examples show how experience design goes beyond functionality to create moments of joy and connections in everyday life. We can also say this with transformational products, for instance, a tablet with a backup feature. Instead of a dry reminder, the interface visually signals when data need to be backed up, encouraging users to take action intuitively. This example shows how focusing on experience can influence behavior in a meaningful way. From materialism to experientialism, society is shifting from valuing material possessions to prioritizing experiences. Studies show that experiential purchases such as attending events or going on journeys make people happier than buying physical goods. Let us take the example of a music industry. Record sales are declining, but concert sales are rising. Why? Because people now value the shared experience of a live concert more than owning a CDs. And this shift challenges industries to rethink their strategies and adapt to their experiential mindset. Understanding experience. To design a meaningful experiences, we need to understand what makes the user impactful. Experiences are subjective, they are personal and emotional. They are holistic, combining feelings, thoughts, and actions. They are also situated, evolving based on context and dynamic, changing over time. And most importantly, they are worthwhile. They provide meanings and fulfillment. When we design with these characteristics in mind, we are not just creating products, we are crafting stories and memories that users take with them. The designer as an author. What does this mean is, as a designer, we are not just a problem solvers, we are storytellers. We should create narratives that connect emotionally with users. A great example is the Buddha machine. It's a simple device that plays ambient loop, but its simplicity creates a meditative and calming experience. Through design, we can also drive positive behavioral change. For instance, eco-friendly products can influence users to conserve resources. This highlights our responsibility as designers to shape not just interactions but also a meaningful connections and habit. Designing for the post-materialistics. In this post-materialistic age, users care more about the experiences a product creates than the product itself. This means that we need to prioritize designing for the experience first. Start by asking why, what motivates users. Then we will focus on creating stories around these motivations. Products should not only just serve as a purpose, they should tell a story that resonates with the users on on a deeper level. A conceptual model for experience design. Experience design can be broken into three essential components: why, what, and how. Why refers to the user's underlying motivations and needs, and what is the product's functionality, what it does, and how is the interactions, how users engage with the product. By starting with the why, we ensure that we are designing with purpose, crafting solutions that are not only functional but also emotional and psychologically fulfilling. The future of design. Finally, the future of design lies in shifting from technology driven innovation to human driven innovations. This means designing technology that truly serves human experiences. Experience design has the power to enrich lives, create lasting memories, and shape user behaviors for the better. By focusing on the human elements, we can build a future where technology doesn't just meet our needs, it transforms the way we live and connect. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that this assignment helped me understand the importance of user experience and experience design in creating a meaningful interactions. I learned how thoughtful design goes beyond functionality to shape positive and engaging experiences for users. Exploring examples like the Philip wake up light and the coffee machine show me how small design changes can transform everyday tasks. Overall, it was a great opportunity to see how design can impact people's life in a simple but a meaningful way. Thank you for your attention.